Oh boy, it's like Christmas. Here we go. Brand new merch. Look at that. That's right, baby. That's our tagline. That's our handle. Got your black with your red script. And then there's our website. That's where you buy it. Okay? So, this bad boy, we're going to do a giveaway in a few weeks. But we're also going to be selling this online. I just have to photograph it and put the page together. Probably be somewhere between $24.99 and $29.99 a pop. You can tell 100% cotton. Got the nice little metal strap, adjustable strap in the back if you have a bigger or smaller head. So 5830, check it out. Late.